Assalamu alaikum everyone. As the blessed month of Ramadan is approaching, I thought I'll share this DIY lamp mosque activity with you, which I did with my son last year, and I'm definitely going to do it this year as well, inshallah. And it was super hit with him and his friends. And they took lots of interest into it. I sketched this mosque template myself, but in case you don't want to do it, I'm also going to attach the template in the description down below so you can just print it out. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. You will need pencil, scissor, tape, cutter to give it a three-dimensional look, golden paper or glitter, and some glue, A4 card paper, but you can use plain A4 paper as well, some battery operated candles, but keep it away from very small children to prevent any accidents. Firstly, when I started, I sketched it on a paper which already had something printed on it on the back, which I didn't realize is gonna pop up with all the other paper which I was about to print. So obviously I had to sketch it again. So the easy way I did it is I just used some tracing paper and trace it again on the card A4 paper. Then I put some dots around the lines where I was going to bend them. Then I scanned and printed it out. First I cut the top area with scissors. That's how it should look. Then I use a wooden board to carve the doors and the windows, but not all the way. You have to leave one side attached to the paper, like I'm doing it here, just like that. So it will pop out like this. So when the candle is in there, it looks really nice and give it some nice shades as well. And it's alright if you make some mistake like these, you can just fix them later with scissors. And then after that, I scanned and printed the amount I wanted. Also, I cut out the doors and the windows for kids as well. This part, if your child is big enough, can do it themselves. If not, you can just give them different glitter colors, and they can even name their mosque, as some of my son friends did. After bending all the roti lines, I got some tape and I just taped the last two corners from the inside so it looks nice. So here you go guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and it was super hit with my son and his friends as it kept them quite busy before iftar time, and I would definitely recommend you to try. So take care for now. Fiamanillah.